Good morning, Vipers. Today is Thursday, April 30th, and we're Iker Hayden
and Gabriel. We've almost reached the end of the week, so here's what's happening on campus.
We are officially on the home stretch for the school year. There are only 28 days left until summer break, and for our seniors, the countdown is only 15 days left until your last day of school. Let's stay focused, and the finish line is in sight.
Yearbooks are finally in. If you pre-order yours, pickups tomorrow, Friday during A lunch and B lunch. Make sure you have your ID ready so you can grab your book and start getting those signatures.
Finally, for all our musicians and future Drumline members, our next percussion clinic is coming up May 12th in the band room from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. No experience is necessary, and it's a great way to get involved with the Viper Vanguard.
And now for sports today, boys varsity volleyball versus Edgewater at 6 p.m. Come out and support our Vipers and stay Viper strong.
That's all the news we have for today, Vipers. I'm your anchor, Hayden.
And I'm Gabriel,
and we hope you have a Viper-tastic Thursday.